Hey lovely, just checking in. How's it going this week? Now, don't take it personally, but I'm going to be a bit serious this week. Jacqueline Fairbrass here from the Jacqueline Fairbrass School of Complementary Therapies, and my study tip today is don't cheat. Don't cheat because the only person you're cheating is yourself. Rarely happens because I know that most of you are like totally committed and really want to learn and really want to be a healer and really want to do the best you can do. But occasionally I am getting people who are just going type, question, Google, pop it in. You know what, I can tell if you've done that because usually it's not in your wording, and very often I've seen it before because I can do that too, and it's, oh, there's the answer. So the whole thing about studying is to be the best you can be. So I know it can be tempting. It's like, oh, I just want to get through these few assignments, I'm nearly there, or I just want to get through a few things, but don't do it. Because like I say, the only person you're cheating is yourself. So big love, have a fabulous week. See you on Thursday at study clinic. I'm looking forward to it. Take care.